one thing that is very true and real is that we never had elections for Jubilee Party. Even Chairman Wakadongo is here. Yeah? Nobody elected these people. Therefore, they have no mandate actually to come and talk against elected leaders. And when Governor Waiguru calls for elections in Jubilee, I don't think this is going out of our way, because a democracy so states that if you do not agree in principle, let wananchi waamue, si ndio hiyo? So saying that we may require party elections in Jubilee is not an attack to Murathe. In fact, I want to ask Murathe, with all sincerity, to give respect to elected leaders. There is no way Murathe can take up a microphone and try to bash His Excellency the Deputy President. That one, tumesema ni makosa. And I don't think Murathe has the mandate to stand on behalf of Mount Kenya region to bash His Excellency the Deputy President. It hurts us people of Kirinyaga. And I would want him to know that Kirinyaga people, sisi tunafanya kazi. We are actually serving the people of Kirinyaga. Mambo ya 2022 and who our candidate is, hiyo tulimaliza kitambo. Murathe should know that. It is not a topic ati kuliandikaniwa nini. Hiyo sisi tulimaliza, sasa ni wakati wa kufanya kazi. And when His Excellency the Deputy President came to Kirinyaga the other day, we told him as such that mambo ya siasa na ni nani tutapatia kura 2022 tulimaliza kitambo. So hii ingine Murathe anaongea hiyo ni yake, and he has no mandate because nobody elected him. If you want to know, the people who are elected as leaders are the people who have the mandate to talk on behalf of their constituents. Tell me, Murathe represents which constituency? Or which county? Or which ward? Sasa, if we have to do elections, let's do so, and let the public, members of Jubilee Party, elect leaders who can be able to talk on behalf. Have you ever heard Tunju, who is the chairperson, talking the way Murathe is talking?